Happy 4th of July to our doll friends celebrating this week. In this video, we are making some quick crafts to celebrate. For our first one, we will need a ring binder and crepe papers. I couldn't find a plain blue crepe paper, but I found this nice one with stars on it. I cut a few strips of red, white, and blue measuring 2 by 3.5 inches. Starting with blue, I pinch a piece in the center so they look like bow ties. Fold and glue around the ring binder. Fold and glue a total of 6, then alternate red and white until all metal parts are covered. Trim to make a wreath. For our second craft, we will need metallic pipe cleaners and some sticks. I start by painting my sticks white. I cut a few pieces of red and orange and twist them around each other like so. Glue onto our sticks to make sparklers. Get one coated paper clip and bend it into a C shape. I trace a star sequin onto craft foam and cut some from our red, white, and blue. I cut 2 of each. Glue the first 3 together and repeat on the other. Glue onto a piece of skinny stick. Glue onto our paper clip to make a headband. I made some more here with different designs, and you can definitely go crazy with your own, but I preferably stuck with our red, white, and blue theme. I cut a piece of foam board measuring 3.5 inches on all sides and 4 small strips measuring 3 inches long and a little under a 1/4 inch wide. Glue the 4 strips under the square. Cut 3.5 inches of our printed crepe paper. Lay over our square with the corners hanging on the sides to make a simple low table. Craft number 5. I have these discarded ends of popsicle sticks from another craft. I trimmed it to 1.75 inches, sanded the bottom, glue onto a trimmed skinny stick, painted it with strips of red, white, and blue to make popsicles from popsicle sticks. We are doing more recycling for our 6th craft. Do you know those tiny little toothpaste tubes they give at airline kids? I've been saving the caps, so I have a bunch of them. Simply paint the inside white to make a party cup. We can even use these as props for when our dolls play games. It's a little bit small for Ken's big hand, but looks just right for a Barbie. Our dolls are currently barefoot on our lawn, so let's make them some footwear. I'm tracing our doll's foot on a cardstock and repeat so we have a pair. I traced them on our white craft foam twice each, so we have 4. Cut 2 strips of red foam and 1 white, enough to wrap around the top of our doll's foot with some excess. Glue one of our white foam sheet on top of our cardstock. Glue the straps, making sure that our doll foot can slip comfortably, and glue the other white craft foam underneath. Repeat for the other foot to make a pair of footwear. I made another 4-hour Barbie. While I was out shopping, I spotted this phone holder that looks like a launcher and thought, it's a good scale for our dolls. This almost matches our theme except there's no white, but it's got pink, which is pretty close. I got 2 that we can put on either side of our table. We also got some more things here, like this one from Hobby Lobby that we can add in our setup, such as these mini burgers and a couple more from Shopee, like these keychains from CRAFTS Art. I was looking for hot dog sandwiches, but only found these on sticks, which also look great. I'll just have to remove the keychain so we can have them on our table, or we can have our dolls hold them. Thank you for joining us in making some crafts for 4th of July. Give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.